Well, after what, 3 or 4 long years, this is finally really coming to its own, and it is a sudden explosion of color. So don't mind the weeds. I like natural. We have, actually, I think there's some black-eyed Susans over there, and still some remaining phlox with this blue agave that's spreading all over the place. Then we have some roses and a fire bush and the remnants of a vitex tree, flowers, and a couple of beauty berries and pokeweeds that I let grow. And then here we have roses and still the last blooming daylilies, and this here is my explosion of crepe myrtles. So it's the first day of July, and here we have, actually I have 3 crepe myrtle trees here. So that's the first one. This is the second one. Look at these beautiful, beautiful roses that I have to deadhead some of these, which I always seem to do while I'm on camera. But look at this, they're kind of speckly, they're cute. Really, really, really adorable and prolific. So there's that, and then I actually have a couple, everything's getting crowded in over here. Where's my, there it is, the teeny little juniper. But I have a row of junipers here, and they're starting to get blocked out, so hopefully they start to shoot up because of it. So here's another beautiful, beautiful crepe myrtle, and it's got tons and tons of blooms getting ready to, there's my pretty new birdhouse. I definitely want to put a bird bath over here. Definitely want to put a bird bath. And then here are the other crepe myrtle. These are bushes, so those are gorgeous. And then I have my drift roses that keep on blooming. And here's another black diamond crepe myrtle with white flowers. You can see one white flower coming out over there. And if you look here, the sun's getting ready to come up out from behind the trees. And I have another beautiful lily and another set of beautiful, gorgeous roses, and some more roses and phlox and lilies. There's beautiful lilies. And then actually I have Maman Clochette roses here, and some Carl Foster grass, and this is my pink blooming Rose of Sharon. And this is a bottle brush that I literally plucked off the tree and stuck in the ground. And then I have little roses and another Carl Foster grass, but this is my beautiful another rose bush, Mutabilis, and there's Maui. And then here's the line of junipers that's going to give evergreen height and structure here. This is a lot of deadheading to do on this, but I love these Mutabilis. Look at the brand new blooms coming in yellow and orange, and then they go to pink and a darker burgundy before they fade. I love that bush. Anyway, lots and lots of beautiful color. A little bit of chaos, but I love it.